If you want to take your hair from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair was freshly washed, so right now I'm showing you guys the steps that I take to detangle my hair. Okay, so for the first step, you want to spray your hair with some water. I must have not recorded this clip, but I actually used curlyhair to detangle my hair. If you guys have leave-in conditioners, that also works too. So I usually detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. So basically the whole concept is to detangle your ends first and then work your way up to your roots. After following those 2 steps all around the head, this is what your hair should look like. So for the next step, you just want to wash your hair out. So whenever I style my hair, I like to work in sections, so I put my hair into 4 equal quadrants. And whichever section I choose to do, I split that into 2 sections. So to style my hair, I decided to use the Miel Coil Sculpting Custard. So what I had in mind for this video is that I was going to style my hair by doing the shingling method, but with trial and error, I found that this gel doesn't really work with that type of styling, if that makes sense. So I ended up trying finger coils, which I thought worked really nicely. If some of you haven't seen my previous videos specifically about finger coils, I recommend to go watch them. But for those who still don't know the whole concept, it's basically just taking a piece of your hair and taking whichever product you're using to style and apply it to your section and go in a circular motion from your roots right down to your ends. And I like to keep twisting until I get the curl I'm looking for. And just like that, my first section is done. So every time I finish a section, I like to spray my hair with some water, just to like reactivate my curls. I'm sure a lot of you guys do the same. And now I have finally completed my first quadrant. And now I finished one whole side of my head. And shortly after, I completed the whole head. So I'm gonna head to sleep right now. I'm gonna wear a bonnet to go to sleep, but then when I wake up, I'm gonna split my finger coils and then it'd be a wrap for the video. So obviously my camera started tweaking the next day, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Like honestly guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I think these are the best coils I've ever done on myself. So to split my finger coils, I'm gonna be using CG oil. CG oil, aka Crown and Glory, is a hair growth oil that's helped me grow my hair and I've seen great results with it. Formulated with natural oils like sweet almond and macadamia, this hair growth oil fortifies your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. If you guys are in need of a hair growth oil, the link for CG oil will be in my description, so make sure to go check that out. I know you guys can't see that well, but this is what my hair looks like after fully splitting all of my finger coils. Anyways, y'all, I wanted to introduce my mom to the channel. If you guys want me to make a video with her doing my hair and me doing hers, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, this is the end of my video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.